This bathroom is going to be torn down. Take a look. Take a look. It is going to be torn down. Everything is going to be new. This is old. We have to keep putting the caulking, and it gets every so many months you have to take that and re-put it. So it's an older bathroom, over 20, almost 30 years. So we're going to change everything. Everything will be changed. Now this is the next phase of the bathroom. This is still hanging, but that'll be gone. The mirror is gone. The light is still there. They'll be taking that down. The sink and the counter is done. This side now everything stays the same. But over here, this is the skeleton. So this they'll be taken away. But this is all the tiles are down. So this is what it's looking like. And this is what they found. So they'll be taking care of this. So all of this, when they take the tub off, all of this is going to be fixed. This is where the toilet was. And everything else will be done. This is the floor, no more tiles. This is the rest of the floor. Only one section where there was a leak, which we knew something was not right before. So this is it. I'll keep you posted on more progress as it comes through. Progress of the bathroom. The tub has been gone. Tub is gone. Tub is gone. Tub is gone. They put new pipe in for the shower. This is what it looks like. Where the sink will be going. Everything else looks the same. Progress, progress, progress. More work being done. See, sink stuff is in. They're doing all this other stuff. This light switch. Oh no, this is where the hanging rack was. Toilet paper rack. You're gonna put all these things in here. Things are coming along. Things are coming along. See? All the rotten wood has been cut. And they put this for the show. So they're cleaning up things, and things are coming pretty good. So progress, progress, progress. It takes a little while, but progress. Progress, bathroom progress. Now they have the cement boards are down. This is what it looks like. But we're coming along, we're coming along, we are coming along. The holes are gone. The holes are gone. The holes are gone. Now we have this put up. And this put up, and see? being fixed. And this progress. This is what I thought it was. But it is now good. That's where we are. We're coming along. Progress in the bathroom. Everything is poured out. Everything is together. This is what it's looking like. Now they're gonna be putting lights in the ceiling. Oh, there's one already. I just realized that. This is for the others. So but everything's still here. They'll be back tomorrow. Things are coming together. This is where the lights used to be, but now this is where it is. Looking good. Coming along. Love it. Progress on the bathroom. Take a look. We are getting there. Things are getting better. We are coming along. Tiles are going up. Take a look. This is looking good. Love it. Yep, so this is the progress we have made. We are coming along. That's that for now. Okay, more progress. Remember, this had a bucket under it. Now it is all sealed. It's all sealed. This will be fixed soon. And remember this, it's all sealed now. And this is what the shower is going to look like. This is the other side now. There are tiles on the other side. This is it. This is looking good. This is coming along so nicely. See? Yesterday we only had here. Now we have all of this and all around and everything. All the tiles are up. This is nice. It's coming together. We are coming together. Couple more weeks, maybe another week or so. 2 more weeks and we'll be done. So it's looking good. So leftover tiles. But it is coming along. Good work in the bathroom. Bathroom progress. Now we are entering the place that I filmed. This is the door. And you will see what the mess looks like. See, everything is covered. And this is the mess. Everything is covered. So I have to keep everything covered. That's my yoga mat. I haven't even used it in a while because, like I say, construction. So everything is put away on the floor and I cover it or close the door and put the lights off. This is a shelf, a bookshelf for me. Well, a shelf to put my stuff on. But this is what it is. So that's that. That's where we are with this construction. But it will all be worth it. It will all worth it. Yeah, that's that. My office is coming together. Everything is still covered, but I will be able to uncover it soon. Very soon. Because I kind of set up a little bit of something over here. So you will see what it looks like. I'm covering it until it's time to record. But it's much better. Most of the pile of stuff is gone. Little by little, everything is kind of like put together.